This next drink has been on the LCC menu for 3 years now, and we can't get it off. Our customers love it, and so do we. It's the Bramley Apple Smash. A really easy drink to make. Add crushed ice to a jam jar. Onto this, gin. Bombay is absolutely perfect. 50 mils into the top. To that, I'm gonna add some mint, about 6 leaves. Just throw them into the glass. And then Bramley apple jelly. 50 mils of this, as well as the gin. Elderflower liqueur, 15 milliliters. This is gonna add a lovely dimension and really complement the mint as well as the apple. Finally, 10 mils of lemon juice. And just a touch of sugar to sweeten it. That's it, really, really simple. Once it's all in there, we're gonna give it a quick churn with a spoon. Break up all the mint, get it macerating with all the flavors, and finish with a cap. Of crushed ice. And then of course, a napkin and a biscuit. That is the London Cocktail Club's Bramley Apple Smash. I hope you enjoy.